Good afternoon. Welcome to Joe Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 23rd through December 5th. For November 23rd to 27th, we have relatively zonal flow that will evolve across the nation. You can see it here. With below normal heights forecast across Alaska with the ridge to the south, but below normal heights across much of the country. And we go here, we come here to 27th. You can see below normal heights. We also have above normal heights here across Greenland. Now, talking like later on in this period, we're talking about agreement of a low pressure system moving across the south. And we're going to go to that right now. You can see right here in the Tennessee Valley. This is GFS, and then it reaches the East Coast by Sunday, and then by Sunday morning the system will be moving to the East Coast with some additional deepening possible. And you can see here, this GFS, some fairly heavy rain is forecast across portions of the Mid-Atlantic, maybe some snow further to the north across New England, interior portions of New England. And then you can see by Tuesday, then it's gone. There's snow across the Northeast. So that's one system that we're watching. And a system would cause showers and storms across the southern Mid-Atlantic and the southern Mid-Atlantic. There is indication of a significant low to develop or form over the central plains, then moving towards the Great Lakes region during the midweek period. And we'll go to that right here. Here's the system you can see here. This is Tuesday. Snow here across this area here. Storm is fairly deep. You can see these isobars close together. But it's a move toward the Great Lakes by the midweek period, and the system can bring mountain snows and valley rains across areas of the Great Basin and northern Rockies over the weekend. Showers and storms will accompany ahead of the system as it moves to the Mississippi Valley and to Ohio Valley by next Tuesday. You can see it right here. This is GFS. Now we'll go forward in time. This is what we're talking about here. This is 7 p.m. Tuesday, and you can see that we have very heavy snows here occurring across this area, and then we have rain, embedded storms here across this region with the frontal boundary. And showers and storms will be likely ahead of the system as it moves into Tennessee, Ohio Valley by Wednesday. We'll go Wednesday. See it here. And then there'll be more rain to portions of the east. On the backside of the system, there could be potential for significant snows across the northern plains and the upper Midwest. Looking at the period for November 26th to 30th, you see right here, 26 to 28, the pattern remains fairly unchanged. We have a zonal flow across the nation below normal heights, a forecast over Alaska with the ridge to the south, and a ridge is forecast also over by Greenland. We have below normal heights again across much of the nation. And the models are pretty good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here for much of the nation. I'm forecasting anomalies about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal, near normal here and along the west coast. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for much of the nation, with the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to move ahead to the forecast period for December 1st to the 5th. And the European ensembles, if we get to that, is I think I mixed this up a little bit. The European ensembles right here is siding more with the GFS now, with depicting a trough here in the west ridge down here with above normal heights along the east coast, southwest flow. While the other models have a broad trough or broad area below normal heights across much of the nation. So for this forecast period, I think it's going to be like this. I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And then I have a small area above normal temperatures for the southeast and along the east coast, with anomalies near 2 degrees at least above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for this area here and for the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 23rd through December 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.